Interesting earthquake facts. 1. The edges of tectonic plates are where earthquakes typically occur. 2. The majority of earthquakes happen within 80 kilometers, or 50 miles, of the Earth's surface. 3. The most geologically active region in the planet is located in the Pacific Ocean and is known as the Ring of Fire. Here, almost 90% of all earthquakes worldwide occur. 4. The biggest earthquake ever measured, with a magnitude of 9.5, occurred in Valdivia, Chile in 1960. 5. Every year, there are at least 900,000 earthquakes.